So you're interested in becoming a real estate agent, but you don't know where to start? Well, the process is a bit more involved than just sending in an application, but nowhere near as time-consuming or expensive as enrolling in a college. I'm majoring with Corofy, here to tell you that getting your New York real estate license is as easy as following these 5 steps. To start, you must be at least 18 years old and have no prior felony or sex offense convictions. Then, you will complete 77 hours of approved pre-licensing education and pass a course final exam. Both the pre-licensing and course final exam can be completed by purchasing one of our New York pre-licensing packages at corofy.com. After completing the first 2 steps, you will then need to schedule and pass the New York Real Estate Salesperson examination. Next, you will find an experienced broker to be your sponsor. It is important to find the right broker to work with, since this person will serve as your mentor as you start your new career in real estate. And finally, with all other steps fulfilled, you will apply for your New York Real Estate Salesperson license. Once this is completed and accepted, congratulations! You will officially be a licensed salesperson in the state of New York. To better prepare yourself to ace the state licensing exam, check out our comprehensive exam prep EDGE program. Also, after you obtain your license, we have everything you need to maintain your license, with the variety of course options for completing your CE requirements. And the best part, our online courses are available 24/7, so you always have access to the best education. For a more in-depth list of steps required to get your real estate license, please check out the information and links provided below.